Hello students, hope you are all safe and healthy at home. So students, in video number 7 part 2, I have given you some physical quantity to write their SI units. I am just going to write the SI unit of the following physical quantity and just match with your answer whether it is true or false. You can check it. The SI unit of speed is meter per seconds. Velocity, that is also meter per second. Mass, that is kg. Density, that is kg per meter cube. Length is meter. Force is Newton, capital N. So weight is also force, so its SI unit is also Newton. Then distance, the SI unit of distance is meter, represent with letter M. Displacement, that is meter only. Now again you can go through it. Speed, meter per second. Velocity, meter per second. Mass, kg. Density, kg per meter cube. Length, meter. Force, Newton. Weight, Newton. Distance, meter. Displacement. Now students, let us revise true and false at page number 22. 1 meter per second, that is equal to 3.6 kilometer per hour. Let's see whether it is true or false. We are just revising it, although we have done it in the previous videos. So 1 meter per second, this is equal to 3.6 kilometer per hour. Now once again, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So in 1 seconds it is 1 upon 3600 hours. Now we have to convert 1 meter per seconds. You can write it like this: 1 meter per second. So in 1 meter there is 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then in 1 second there is 1 upon 3600 hours. So divide it with 1 upon 3600 hours. Now you can simplify it. You can write it like this: 1 upon 1000 kilometer divided by 1 upon 3600 hours. Now this will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer divided by multiply by 3600 upon 1 hours. So this and this 20 get cancelled. So it is 36.10 kilometer per hours. So divide 36 with 10. This is 36 kilometer per hours. It means this statement is true. You can check it. 1 kilometer. Just check it again, and you must practice this. If you are good in calculation, you will be able to solve any type of the numerical. Now again 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, and then centimeter cube. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So we have to convert centimeter cube into meter cube. So just cubing both the sides. So this will be equal to 1 centimeter cube. This is equal to 1 upon 100 meter into 1 upon 100 meter into 1 upon 100 meter. So this is equal to 1 upon 1020, then 0. Meter means meter cube, or even you can write it like this: 1 upon, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is 10 raised to power 6 meter cube. So even you can write it like this: 10 raised to power minus 6 ऊपर चला जाएगा, and it will be 10 raised to power minus 6 meter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to power 6 meter cube. Now you have to convert 1 gram per centimeter cube into kg per meter cube. So in 1 gram it is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, and 1 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Now you can simplify it. 1 upon 1000 kg divided by 1 upon 0, 0, 0, 0. How many 0 are there? 2, 2, 4, 6. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, and this is equal to meter cube. So 1 upon 1000 kg multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meter cube. So 30 get cancelled. So 1 gram per centimeter is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Check it and just practice it of your own. You can go through this. And then this. So in the next video we will revise the numerical, but till then you just learn the A part, B part and D part of this chapter. Exercise A part, B part, D part and D part. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.